Hello and good morning, everybody over at ABC. My name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing. I know you guys spoke to my sales rep, Jennifer, and wanted some more information in regards to what digital marketing could do for your guys' business. I'm going to go over a few things that you probably have already heard before or know even a little bit about, but regardless, I'm going to go over them anyways and kind of show you kind of what we see from our end where you guys can start to improve and how to do that. So this is a bunch of information you guys can use yourself. If not, if it's too much for you or if you don't have the time to do it, we'd be happy to assist you with that as well. But regardless, we'll jump into it here. First things first, we got your guys' website. Awesome. I see you got a great call to action here right away. 0 down, 0 interest, 0 payments for 2 years. Super appealing to people, right? That's great. And one thing I don't see a ton of is content. You have a little bit right here. A lot of pictures. That's always good. Kind of irrelevant. I guess you guys are a global company here in the United States. This is kind of irrelevant to the Twin Cities area. Something more like this or this is probably a little more relevant. But this almost looks like it's down in Florida. So maybe updating some photos as well. You got buttons all the way across it. That's good. All your services right at the top. You're a Y Green certified company. Phenomenal. You got all your tabs. I'm not going to go through every single one of them, but definitely need more content. Google absolutely loves content, and they will rank you better for having good quality content. And it also helps you with other things like adding more keywords, being able to put more backlinks into your website by having that content. And when I talk about that, what I mean is actually this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take your guys' URL here. I'm going to copy and paste it into my tool I like to use. This is called Ahrefs. Ahrefs gives me a guideline kind of where you guys sit online with some of your analytics, some of the numbers for your backlinks, referring domains, as well as your keywords, and roughly how much traffic you guys are getting. Right now, doing pretty well. 887 organic traffic per month. Don't worry about that traffic value. That doesn't really mean much. But one really good thing that we like to focus on is the numbers as well as the quality of what you guys have for these. And then as well as this, the UR and DR. This is the user URL rating as well as the DR, which is the domain rating. One thing we want to see here is what we like to call a golden ratio. So 18 to 18 or 1.6 to 1.6. We obviously want to have these numbers up higher. Somewhere in the 50s would be a good number to have. 70s, always getting higher in the UR and DR, but having this golden rating between these two is really going to rank you guys well online. So what we do is we actually go in and get backlinks that equalize out that UR and that DR rating. But in order to do that, we need to kind of figure out, okay, where are you guys sitting versus your competition? And so we kind of looked around. You guys are contractors, you do roofing, you do siding. So we did a few different things, and we actually searched for contractors in Twin Cities. And we got a few different results. So first thing that we're going to see when we search, roofers, not contractors. So we got roofers in Minneapolis, right here, not bad. So we search roofers in Minneapolis, and we find a few things. We got Moss Construction, Capital Construction, Smith Roofing. This is the Google My Business profile section, and this is very important to have optimized well. We also want to increase all of our reviews, right? We can see that the top guys here, the top 3 companies, have 40 or more, right around 40 or more, just about 5-star reviews. So that's phenomenal. Definitely want to get more reviews. We can kind of figure out where you guys sit in a little bit if you'd like to go further on that, but definitely want to make sure you have more reviews on your Google Business profile. So that's a great way to get to the top as well. Another way is we can go down here to the organic section. We can look for the first organic actual construction company, roofing company. We find these guys, Capstone Bros, right? So if we grab Capstone Bros, we want to figure out why are they on the first page of the organic section. So how much traffic are they getting off that? What are they doing to get off that? And when we can do that, same thing, take the URL. We can go in here and we can look at their ratings. Same kind of numbers. See that the numbers are up. They're only getting 13 organic traffic, so they must be a smaller company, but they're really putting into their backlinks. And I see they added 1 keyword. So the only thing that makes me wonder on why these guys are ranked higher than you is the types of backlinks that they have. And when we can do that is we can actually go into each and every single individual backlink. We can go over every single one of these, figure out what's valuable, what's not valuable, and then we go out and we capitalize and get all of those good quality backlinks, and then we add more on top of it once we've actually figured out what all of those backlinks are. That is our backlink research portion of it. We can also do that, and we can also search for another company. Kaufman Construction, right here. So their UR, see how they're 34-7. Again, their golden ratio isn't very well, and they only have 532. Similar to you guys, a little closer to you guys, still more, but not getting nearly as much traffic. So maybe these guys are not quite optimized very well, or they're not very well known. Maybe you guys are a bigger company, you do more traditional marketing, therefore your site is found more. But generally speaking, that having better backlinks and better keywords is a better way to do that. And like I said, just same thing with backlinks. We can go into keywords as well and figure out what keywords are what's your competitors using online. Roofing Minneapolis, that's a good one. I can see it's attached to a photo right there. That's getting 300 search volume. They're in the first place position for that. We can do the same thing for you guys. We can go in and figure out all of your guys' keywords, what you guys have for keywords, and where you're ranking for. So when we search building contractors on Google, you guys are actually in the 6th place for that one. It's a great keyword. It's not very localized. One thing we want to have is good localized keywords as well. So we can go in, we can figure out all the backlinks, all the keywords, all the referring domains that you guys are currently connected to, and we can compare them to your competition, start getting you guys the right kinds of backlinks, the right kinds of keywords added into your website. Top off, put some more content into your guys' website. That's a huge part of it. Consider looking at your Google business profile, optimizing that out as well. We do also offer social media management, but I'm not going to go over that right now just because I want to keep this video short and sweet for you guys. If you are interested in hearing more information on how we can help you, feel free to reach back out to myself, Josh Nelson, here at Midwest Valley Marketing, or Jen, that you guys currently spoke to. So, with that being said, everybody over at ABC, I hope you guys found this video useful. Have a great day.